Kahit na nagsisimba ka linggo-linggo, yung lust, yung envy, yung inggit, hindi mo yun matatanggal. Because it was inborn. Wala nagturo sa iyo para mainggit, right? Ba't nainggit ka sa iPhone ng ka-office mate mo? It's your nature. Lumalabas lang yon. Hindi ka kailangan turuang magsinungaling. Hindi ka kailangan turuang mainggit. By nature, masama na tayo. We're all headed to hell. All of us cannot save ourselves, but only Jesus Christ has the capacity and ability to save you and me. Because si God is just, galit na galit siya sa sin, somebody needs to pay. But on the other hand, si God hindi lang just, loving din siya. Sabi niya, He doesn't want anyone to go to hell, but everyone to come to repentance. So He's torn with this dilemma. You know what the dilemma means? You're torn between two decisions. Papuntahin ko sa impyerno dahil yun ang requirement ko as a just God, or papuntahin sila sa langit dahil loving ako. He's torn. Pero hindi niya pwedeng ipikit yung mata niya. Okay, kahit rapist, pumunta ka na nga sa langit, mabait ako eh. Anong ginawa mo? Nang babae ka? Sige, namasok ka sa... Hindi pwede yun. Kasi just siya. Hindi pwede makapasok yung makasalanan sa langit. He's just. But also, He's loving. Ayaw niyang mapunta sa impyerno yung mga taong ginawa niya in His own image and likeness. What was the solution? Listen up, this is very critical. Hindi to na-explain paglinggo sa church mo siguro. The only solution is to have someone satisfy His wrath. Yung nagpupuyos niyang galit, yung kabayaran sa dapat kasalanan, somebody needs to pay because He is just. He cannot just close His eyes to the sin of human being. So the ultimate solution, to send His sinless Son, Jesus Christ, to satisfy His wrath. When Jesus was crying in the Garden of Gethsemane, He was torn. Sabi niya, Dad, is it possible to take this cup away from me? What He's saying is, yung wrath mo na inipon mo throughout it, mula na nagkasala si Adam at si Eve, somebody needs to drink this wrath. Pwede bang hindi ko na lang pagdaanan yung cross? Pag hindi ginawa ni Jesus yun, lahat tayo papuntang impyerno kahit gano'ng kakabayan. That's my point. But thanks be to Jesus. Sabi niya, but not my will, but yours be done. Thanks be to God. Si Jesus Christ, alam niya pagdadaanan niya, kailangan itong pagdaanan so that yung just requirement ni God masatisfy para mapunta ka sa langit. Are you getting the picture now? When Jesus Christ came 2,000 years ago, He satisfied the just requirement of God. Yung nagpupuyos na galit ni Father in heaven, someone needs to drink it. That's what Jesus drank, symbolically speaking. At the cross, 2,000 years ago, when He was about to die, He said there, it is finished. The Greek word there is tetelestai. It's actually a carpentry word. Pag may ginawa silang lamesa, uupuan, sasabihin nila, tetelestai. It is finished, ready for delivery. Nothing to add, nothing to deduct. That's the word that was used by Jesus Christ. Tetelestai. It is finished. Listen up, this is important. Most especially sa mga tao rito, you thought that you can go to heaven by good works. It is done. You cannot do anything to add to Christ's salvation's finished work at the cross. You cannot do anything, you cannot deduct, you cannot add. Two things is needed just to solidify my case that it's not by good works you will be saved. Remember when